Wow, look at that, Al. A magical waterfall. Hello gang, how are we all doing? It is holiday morning. Yeah, we're going on holiday. What a lovely day we have. Look, I'm trying to come back here a bit. You see the sunrise over that way? I can see it a bit through my patio door in the reflection. Over there, we've got a nice little sunrise. It is due to rain all day, so we have a miserable first day. I think it's due to rain for like the next 4 days, so it's not ideal, but we're going to do a 5-hour drive now. Going to go and have some breakfast, get ready. We've started the day off with the dip in the morning. Going to go eat some food with little man now, pack up the car, get ready, try and leave by like 8 o'clock and get there for just after 1, go out somewhere and have a roast dinner and see the lake. We're going to go to Keswick first and see a beautiful lake and have a good day. Thank you for being here, thank you for watching. I'm going to edit the past 2 days on the way down in the car. Have a good day, see you all throughout the day and then on our beautiful holiday. We've arrived on arguably the worst day ever. It's soaking, isn't it, mate? We're getting wet.
Yeah, I got wet.
It's very rainy outside, isn't it? You was a good boy in the car.
Yeah?
You did a good job. You have some food?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
What are you gonna have?
Sausage,
Chips and beans.
chips, sausage,
And beans as well.
and beans.
Yeah.
What did you do? Put your own gravy on?
Yeah.
Wow. What have you got?
Chips.
Is it hot? Hang on, do you want me to try?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't try it.
That's a lot of beef. Oh, you got mash as well.
Move your hand then. Yeah, a bit hot at the moment.
So,
I'm a big spoon.
is a big spoon? Is that a big spoon?
Bit bigger.
Is that nice? Alfie?
Oh my god. Yeah,
Oh. Oh god.
oh yeah. You didn't bend the spoon, you just kept it sideways. Is it yummy? Thumbs up. Got the video for long, guys, because we have turned up on arguably the worst day humanly possible. It is horrid. My phone is drenched already. Room tour. Ah. Don't ask me why I'm dressed like that. I'll tell you why. We got soaked. How you doing, Alf?
That's alright.
You like it?
Yeah, and let's go try some.
Listen to a bit of Jolene, mate. This is the bedroom. That is the room tour. That is us done. This is our balcony. Downstairs and upstairs. To be fair, we've got a bloody lovely view, gang.
And we have some beds, a table and some beds and a kitchen there.
Yeah, but we've got not nice weather. However, tomorrow it says we have some sunshine, so fingers crossed we should be good.
You want a cup of tea?
Lovely jubbly.
You want a cup of tea?
Look at that.
What's that?
Bloody lovely.
Disgusting.
Wow, that's cool, Alf.
Thank you.
What is it? A big train track?
Fire truck. Oh,
Should we
a
take
fire
over?
truck. Is this pretending to be a train?
That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it's cool.
Do you have a good time at swimming?
Yeah. Now I'm playing.
Get a big Lego
here.
wall.
Now I'm playing here.
That's it, see, you're not drowning. Swimming. You go then. Swim your arms. Don't panic, don't panic. See you milestones.
Swim to mummy then. again.
Okay, swing your arms, kick your feet. Swing.
Good job. Well done.
Go to the
Good
edge.
job.
Swim to the edge.
Swim to the edge.
Swim
Grab
to the
onto
edge.
the edge.
Swim to the edge. Swim to the edge. Where are we going? You found the room?
Yeah.
Oh, good job you were here.
Look a pair.
2 2s. What number's that?
2.
22.
Yeah, 22.
Go. Oh! You gotta push. Push. Hello.
Stop. Put a light
Hello.
on. Put a light on.
Go put the card in first, you donkey.
How you? So how you?
Yeah, look at your big bed. All for yourself.
Thank you.
Nice big boy.
Yes, please.
You say goodnight.
Good night.
So you will see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. It goes how big I am.
Oh, okay. Go on then. Wow. So big. Show your muscles, Em. Whoa.
Eek. It's too high.
Just give him a pat on the back. Just give him a pat on the back. Yeah, there you go.
Give the squirrel a kiss.
No, don't kiss it. It'll be dirty.
No,
Stop.
Don't have a kiss then. Ah.
At least it's clearing up. Oh, what a lovely day, Alfonso. No, we're going to go to the car, mate. We're going to get the car. We have to park the car in the car park, yeah. We're going to go caves today. Yay! Yeah, we're going to get some food. Look at this, guys. What a beautiful rainbow. Goes right down there. You see the end of it? There it is. It's like literally right over where we're staying. Our room is just up there. Look at that. You turn around, trees everywhere. Beautiful.
Mommy, you should go up Peppa because it's a big cold.
No, we're gonna go and find a big cave. That's where Daddy wants to go up, mate. One of them bad boys.
Yeah.
Daddy's gonna go up one soon.
Okay.
Not today. We're going to find a cave today. Look at up there. Wow. Giant cave. Wow. That looks so pretty. Doesn't it?
Hey. I go up that way now. Go down.
Keep going, man. We're going to eat in a minute. Look, the cave looks over there, isn't it?
Alf.
Smile normally, please. Don't kick me, you dirty bum.
Doggy in the water.
You're just getting dirty all the time, you stinky bum. Look at this. Truly magical. Look. They're all the way down there. Wow. We found another cave. The other one was too busy. We've got our own private cave off. Someone's got bloody suitcases over in the corner. What the hell? Don't fall over.
I need a torch.
We'll get the torch in a minute. Is there further away that way? Is it dark down? Don't fall over. Oh, spooky. Yeah, we'll get the torch. So good thing I bought a head torch. You ready? I'm going to turn the light off. 3, 2, 1. Where you gone? There he is. Ready? Turn it off.
Turn it on.
Whoa! Alright, there you go. It's on now. It's on now. I'm just showing you what it looks like. It's crazy, isn't it? There's nothing else over there, mate. Look, dead end. See? It's a dead end, mate. No, it's all a dead end.
Let's go to a different cave.
There isn't any more. Oh. Good thing I got this big torch, Alf.
Look at the air.
I know, you can see it all, can't you?
It's a cool cave.
Oh. Do echo. Do a big roar, Alf. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, wow. That was good. Alf. Hello! The chauffeur and the midget through the mountains because he's too lazy. Oh. We're going to find a waterfall. Do you think we'll find it, Alf? I do.
No.
What a lovely day! Wow! We found the waterfall! Yay! Hooray! Look how high we are! Ah! This is how far we've just walked, guys. From all the way over there. Alfie.
Yeah?
The unit Daddy is, mate. Daddy's walked all the way down there with you. You know that?
Yeah.
Yeah, well you get to relax like a little hermit crab. He's just slipped over. You alright?
Yeah.
We're at the park. Park.
Huh?
What's up? Is it wet?
Yeah.
Make sure you land on your feet. Oh, you'll be alright. Don't worry, you got a wetsuit on your bottom anyway, you'll be fine. Let him wear himself out. I'm gonna go gym in a bit. Get a juicy pump. Quick pump at the gym. Smash it today. 18,000 steps, mate. Yeah, getting doing still down. You have a good day?
Yeah.
You've been a very good boy.
Thank you.
Thanks for going for walks with Mummy and Daddy.
Right.
Daddy been gym. Ooh. You have a good day?
Mm.
You like the waterfall? It's pretty, wasn't it? What are you watching? The gnomes.
Yeah.
Romeo and Juliet. Right, Daddy's going to have a shower. Is that funny? You say goodnight? You gonna say goodnight?
Good night.
See you guys tomorrow for another adventure.